The Innovation Awards have just taken place, and one of the most hotly contested categories is for machinery. Well, I'm happy to say that the winners have been crowned, and I am here with Machinery Award winners, father and son duo. We've got Donovan and James from Ritchie and Ritchie Products Limited. Congratulations, first of all.
Thank you very, very much.
And I think you should probably also get the prize for coming the furthest to SALTEX, because you've travelled to get here, haven't you?
Yeah, we have, obviously from South Africa, well, in the back end of the world. But we're here to introduce our product to the European market and the UK market. And yeah, but we've been in England a lot of times, and always nice to be here.
Yeah, well, it's lovely to have you here. Let's talk about what won you this award, first of all. So tell us what it is. I mean, the certificate's right here. What have you got for us?
All right, so basically what we did is take the conventional bed knife for bottom blade, and we realized that there's a lot of space.
Right.
So normally it just has one cutting edge. And what I did is then we redesigned it. So basically this cutting edge here was always wasted.
Right.
So we took that and then redesigned it and then put on two cutting edges. So once that edge is done, you just turn it around and you use the other edge.
So it's a double bottom blade.
Double bottom blade, a little bit more expensive than a single blade because there's a little bit more engineering, but you're saving about 30 to 40%.
Wow.
And then obviously with everything going green these days, we're only using one piece of steel against having to use two pieces of steel, hence our climate change.
Yeah, which is, of course, what Innovation Awards are all about. And in fact, SALTEX is all about the innovation. Well, it's a fantastic product. Could I just ask you, what's the other thing that we have just here on the table in front of us?
Right, this is an adjustable rotary blade.
Right.
So the problem in the market is there's many variations in inches and widths of blades. So what we did is we came up with a configuration that the blade will then, you'd move your blade.
Yeah.
So you'd put it over there to make it smaller, obviously, and then put it out there to change the configuration. So you've got a lot of different options. So this covers most of the turf machines. And once again, this bar will be used once. You won't have to replace this bar because it's not doing any cutting. And your tips, you'll only replace the cutting tips.
Yeah.
Another feature is that because it pivots on the bar, if you hit something, the blade will swing away and then return back to its position.
Yeah.
So this also stops breaking of spindles, belts, and bending of blades, breaking of blades.
Yeah.
So the customer would then, he could change his complete fleet by using the bar, no matter what size of cutting width he has, by just adjusting the different height, lengths.
That's fantastic. Yet another great innovation. And this you are actually launching here at SALTEX.
Yeah, this has been launching, first time it's been launched at SALTEX. This is my latest innovation. And there had to be something for the rotary market because I've been in the industry for 37 years.
Wow.
And to keep the right amount of stock of blades of different sizes is just impossible. So hopefully now this will give a solution to stockists of blades, and the customer can just walk in, the size is there, make it up to the size, and off he goes, and then in the future just replace the tips.
And why have you been to SALTEX before?
No.
So
no,
this is your first time. So far, what's your experience of SALTEX been?
Oh, it's fantastic. I've been to the Orlando show in America, and this is just on par and just as good, if not better. Very, how can I say, quality setup. It's fantastic.
Well, listen, congratulations on your award. Thank you so much for coming all that way to be here at SALTEX, and enjoy it.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.